So along the road may nadaanan kaming isang bagay na siguro naririnig niyo yung sounds niya. Unti-unti niyo siya makita. Ayun siya. May waterfalls siya, no? Sabi ng kalsada, oh. Diba? Alain niyo yun. Ayun yung waterfalls. Pwedeng maligo dyan. Parang wala kaming dalang panligo. Kung may mga naglalaba, nag-iigib. Tapos dito lang siya. Walang entrance. Oh. Saka rito, walang entrance. Sa tabi lang ng kalsada yan. So, part na ito ng Infanta Quezon. Kung nakikita niyo yung waterfalls na yan. Yung Marilaki Highway or Marifanta na ito.
Makita yung ano.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. You don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I
Ayan,
hate
dito na tayo
being
sa Santa Maria. Welcome Arc.
with emotion, anger and emotion. Open, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go.
Picture lang kami dito ng misis.
Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go. Never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go. Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and where I'll go in life still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So along the road may nadaanan kaming isang bagay na siguro naririnig niyo yung sounds niya. Unti-unti yung siya makita. Ayun siya. May waterfalls dyan sa tabi ng kalsada. Diba? Kalahin mo yun. Ayun yung waterfalls. Pwedeng maligo dyan. Kala wala kaming dalang panligo. Kung may mga naglalaba, nagigib. Tapos dito lang siya. Walang entrance. Oh. Saka rito, walang entrance. Sa tabi lang ng kalsada yan. So, part na ito ng Infanta Quezon. So, nakikita nyo yung waterfalls na yan. So, yung Marilaki Highway or Marifanta na Infanta na to. At ito.
Mano eh. Malapad eh. Ano ba? Malapad. Malawak yung ano niya, pagitan. Ang linaw. Ang linaw. Panghil. Makita yung ano.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand. want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I